Hey there, Libras. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your daily reading for 25th of July, and it will be a general reading. Please take those messages what resonates you, and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. I have already shuffled card. Now start reading. Hope your day will be good. Okay. What are the messages for Libras for today? 10 of Cups. So definitely you are happy and abundant in financially you are abundant, happy, growing, emotionally you are happy, enjoying your company with your family, and something material, you are something material thing in your life, you are taking charge of this, or you are getting something which is luxurious, or material things are very much in your mind, and you are on authority this time, and you are happy with your family, enjoying your family, happy home, happy family. So 6 of Swords, High Priestess, and 3 of Wands. So when you start your day, you will travel somewhere, maybe, and or maybe in the middle of the day. It's a midday, so maybe mid of the day you will travel, and or it's like that you are coming out from the tumultuous water to a calmer water, and you are starting your day with a soothing energy, and or you can travel somewhere. Maybe you are traveling with your family or travel to your family. So and at the mid of the day you are getting very much intuitive, and your guts are sending you some kind of messages, or you are meeting somewhere someone who is intuitive, who's telling you about your maybe you're taking help from a psychic person at the mid of the day, or you are itself a psychic and you are getting some guts instinct and messages from your guts, your divine or your angels are helping you and sending you some kind of messages about something, or it's like that you are getting some little bit mysterious, or maybe something is mysterious going on behind the scene. You are trying to find out the behind the scenes, what is going on behind the scenes. So and at the end of the day you are whatever you have waiting for, whatever you are trying to find out, you will see that you are able to know this at the end of the day, and you are very successful, and whatever you wanted, it is coming towards you, Libras. So let's see what is the romance central oracle message for you for today. It will be for any relationship, just not just for love relationship, it can be for any relationship. So let's see what is the message for today for Libras. So this is the message for you. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a high level of commitment. Maybe you are having something is very much you are addicting towards something, you are very much addicting toward, which is maybe this is affecting your overall relationship, not just love life. If you are in a love relationship, and if you are worried over your love relationship, so you have some kind of addictions, you have to make them away from you. So you are coming out from this addiction. If you are coming out from these addictions, so and maybe someone is helping you to come out from this, and you are coming out, and you are getting your love life in a next level, to a next level. So Liberals, that was your reading for the day 25th of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.